I remember when I was a young boy, the first year anniversary, sobrang daming tao talaga. Every year we commemorate his death anniversary. It was an important time in our history. And I always say, especially sa mga kabataan, we remember him not only as himself, but as somebody na nagmahal sa bayan.
Yes.
Or at least in our recent history, we have somebody who really talagang lived and died for the country. So kung gusto natin siyang maalala, if we want to remember him, if we want to honor him, it's to continue that fight. No? Kahit namatay na siya 42 years ago, yung mga pinaglalaban niya, buhay pa rin dapat sa atin. Tayo na dapat magpatuloy.
We should not depend on one man. We should depend on all of us. All of us are expendable in the cause for freedom. And therefore I say, stand up now and be a leader. And when all of us are leaders, we will expedite the cause of freedom.